At the end of the previous video, I informed you that you should go to this URL, to this page, to get to know how to create a Facebook page. And here you can see you get all the instructions. First of all, you need a name. If you did a research about your niche, you find some keywords that are very important for customers to find you, and you should use these keywords to define your page name. Like if you're promoting products in the girl niche, then you use the page for the page name, the keyword golf, and so on. Then you should find two photos for your page. One is the logo basically, and the other one is a photo that should summarize what you're offering, what is your business, what are your services, and so on. I will show you some of my examples. And also you should include a call to action so that people can also do something, like for example they can register to your autoresponder to get a free report, they can get redirected to your website, and so on. Like here, if you click on one of these buttons, you will be redirected to a page, for example here to create an ad, or here to create a page. So these are calls to action. Then here we are, you create a page, you click here on create a page, you go to your Facebook account, you will see this page where you're going to select the type of page that you're going to create. It can be a local business or a community, or you want to promote a brand or product. Then you can also convert your Facebook profile into a business page. You click here if you want, and you learn how to do it. But let's say that you have your private friends. I would recommend that you don't use your profile as a business page, but you should create business pages within your profile. Or unless you're a celebrity, then you're going to create a business page. You should also here edit some of the features, like for example you can turn on messaging for your page so that people will send messages asking for your products and services, or ask questions and suggestions. Or even you can show more content, like which kind of services you're offering, which kind of supports, which kind of products, and so on. Once you're done with the page, the next steps are to promote your page. You click on this link, but I will show you this later in another video, how to do this, how to promote a page. Click here. Or you just update the content on your page, publishing content, so posting new content in your page so that people will get back to your page and see what's new, and maybe you have new promotions. So do this like you do in a blog or in your website. So your Facebook page is your blog, is your website for your business. Do it. So you don't need anything. You don't need a website. You need only a Facebook page. And then we'll see how to measure the performances. We'll see Facebook page insights to track how many people you have reached, or you're reaching, and what content they respond best to, and how many people took action, and so on. Okay, so you see the performances, and you will see. Okay, here again, create a page, and so on. Go to this page, you have all the links to create a page and update content and promote.